show to Mum first.
Everybody else, he doesn't
That
do
won't
it.
him in.
Yeah. He doesn't do it quick, Mum, but he does it. You have to do it somewhere.
I won't him. Right, you being the game.
Stephen,
Yeah.
what did you say?
John. What?
What did you say?
No, it's mate.
Damn, if you're on a phone.
I've got one.
I cocked the rising.
I've got one.
That's the answer, get his SIM card, I can't. I'm happy home. I'm happy home. Go longer than Whitton Park, then.
Better than Whitton Park.
We have to take back
Oh
out.
god, sticky one. They're all nice, they're nice.
It's not a hell.
No.
No, there's a lot of chavs watching them.
Nobody else.
Yeah, chaving it well.
Yeah, I've got somebody's phone here.
Kelly's the idiot, not Lee.
Dan, whose is this for me, bitch? In it? Mal, will you?
Get and swivel.
Who's in it?
I don't know, there's 2 bits in it.
Oh, I love them. And the cool.
Yeah, I know.
Oh god. Wow.
You have to take it back,
Dan, you need to put
it?
something down, well I can't see because there's no light, man.
You'll break your phone, don't do that.
No, sit up all
What are you doing?
Battery will fall out. Leave it. Keep put that.
Lee, are you on toilet?
Put my SIM card in there, battery's gone dead.
This has lasted longer than 15 minutes, this.
It's very
Just timed it. Alright, see?
The torch on there, but that's gone.
Alright, Stephen, are you enjoying it, love?
Yeah, cut my leg off.
Night week, flat tire.
Yeah. I think there's some ticking at it or something.
You're right, Jackie. They're nice, huh?
Ian phoned him up. Put it up to fire away, bang, 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 and switched it off.
And where's he at?
But he just answered his phone.
Who was ever smoking next to my van? I'm the kick off. Give me another can and I'll walk over and smash them.
Oh, Lauren, don't give me a dirty one.
Me! And
Well, Lauren, we wrote down.
Hey, well done, Dom.
Hey!
Finish, yeah.
Yeah, Lauren, we wrote down this for you.
Yeah, Ken. Please reopen that.
Ken,
What, Ali?
More to the show.
have you got it? That one of mine?
That's what I traded you.
Oh, it's a big dog.
What? Is that it?
Oh, some more, yeah.
Oh my god.
More?
I'm going. Stand back.
More. Where is it?
It's that cherry shit.
Don't push me, please, Lauren. Who is it then, what?
Shut up! I'm trying to do this, it is. I'm too I need to get a spark, I can't see it. Are you right, Mum?
Yeah, I'm going to walk up with you.
Where?
To the toilet.
I don't need toilet. Alright, Steve, are you coming?
Oh, what's your end at fireworks?
Yeah, I need toilet,
I don't like this flavour, try it. What is it? Cherries, Mum. Mum, you're pushing me into rolls. I know, but it's horrible, I don't like it. I bet you don't like it.
Can I have last?
More.
There's more.
Maybe one more will go off right then. And they'll come down and go, bang. Whoa.
Lee! What are you doing? What are you doing? It's a bag of shit, that. I don't like it. I bet you don't like it. Neither do I. Ah, shit.
Who?